I really like the village. It is definitely quieter.
Maybe, but the town is getting much more modern. It might be better for us.
I really like the village. It is definitely quieter.
Maybe, but the town is getting much more modern. It might be better for us.
Notice the grammar? Quiet takes an ER ending, but modern uses the word more. Why do we treat these two-syllable adjectives differently? English comparatives and superlatives can be confusing. Some adjectives follow one pattern by adding ER and EST. Others follow a different pattern using more and the most. This video explains exactly when to use which pattern. We will start with the adjectives that follow strict rules. Then we will look at the exceptions, the words that do not follow the standard patterns. Most one-syllable adjectives that end in vowel-vowel consonant follow a simple pattern. Just add ER or EST. For example, the Grand Canyon is deep. The Kali Gandaki Gorge is deeper, but the Mariana Trench is the deepest point on Earth. If the adjective ends with two consonants, like the word high, you simply add the ending. Mount Fuji is high, Mount Kinabalu is higher, but Mount Everest is the highest. If the adjective already ends in the letter E, do not double it. Just add R or ST. For example, the Nile is a large river, but the Yangtze is larger than it. The Amazon is the largest river in the world. If a one-syllable adjective ends in a consonant-vowel-consonant pattern, like hot, you must double the final letter. Summers in London are hot. Summers in Bangkok are hotter. But the Sahara Desert is the hottest place of all. Next, let's look at long adjectives. These include three-syllable adjectives such as dangerous, participial adjectives such as scared, compound and hyphenated adjectives such as ice-cold. In most of these cases, you should use more and the most. A wolf is a dangerous predator. A tiger is more dangerous because of its strength and size. But a polar bear is the most dangerous of the three because, in addition to its strength and size, it always sees humans as food and is not afraid of them. Now look closely at some special one- and two-syllable words. If an adjective starts with the prefix a, like afraid, or is based on a noun such as fun, or ends in a suffix like ful, ish, or ive, you should use more. We do not change the ending of these words, so useful becomes more useful, active becomes more active. Now let's look at the exceptions. This includes irregular adjectives and the difficult group of two-syllable words. First, the irregulars. There is no rule for these, but they are limited in their number, so you have to look them up in a good dictionary and then memorize them. For example, Venus is far from the Sun, but the Earth is further than Venus. Mars is the furthest of the three. Finally, let's focus on two-syllable adjectives. Some of these words usually take ER and EST. For example, narrow becomes narrower. Simple becomes simpler. However, many other two-syllable adjectives use more and the most. For example, honest becomes more honest. Because this group can be tricky, the best and safest way to learn the correct comparative and superlative forms is to consult a good dictionary. Stay tuned, and in our next video, we will explain how to use online dictionaries and search engines to identify the correct forms for your English comparatives and superlatives.